Welcome to Medico Crazy everyone. So in this playlist we are gonna cover fractures, all the important fractures which are high yield fractures for NEET PG exam. So first I will start with the basic, like what is fracture and what are the types of fracture, and in the next videos we will cover each and every fracture of upper limb, lower limb, spine, head and neck. So in this video we are gonna cover what is fracture and what are the type of fractures. So fracture is a break or a breach in a continuity of a bone. So this is called fracture. Now let's move to the type of fractures. So we classify fractures caused by trauma or some which are caused by insignificant trauma. So the fractures which are caused by insignificant trauma are again classified into two types. The first is a pathological fracture and the next is a stress fracture. So the basic difference in both of them is, in a pathological type of fracture there is always an abnormal bone, but in case of stress fracture the bone is normal. There is no pathology, no defect in the bone. So this is a broad classification of types of fractures. Now let's talk about the fracture caused by trauma. So the fracture caused by trauma, the first one is a transverse fracture. This fracture is caused by a direct trauma, and when the force is applied in the opposite direction it causes the transverse fracture. For example, this is the bone. If we apply a force in opposite direction like this, here and here, so the fracture which is caused by this trauma in between is a transverse fracture. For example, this is a bone and this fracture is a type of transverse fracture. So the second fracture we have is oblique fracture. Oblique fracture. Oblique fracture is caused by a compressive force. Compressive force. Now again suppose this is the bone, and because of the compression of the bone there is a fracture. So this is called the oblique fracture, like in oblique. Transverse fracture transversely, oblique fracture obliquely. And then the third type of fracture we have is spiral fracture. Now spiral fracture is caused by a twisting force. Again, for example, this is the bone and the fracture caused by a twist, some kind of twisting movement. So this causes spiral fracture in the bone. So I will make a diagram of a spiral fracture to make it more clear. For example, this is like here the bone twistically damaged or fractured. So this is a spiral fracture. So next, fourth fracture we have is comminuted fracture. Now comminuted fracture is also caused by a direct trauma, but what happened here is there we can find a multiple fragments. For example, this bone is a complete bone, but the fracture caused multiple fragments of the bone. So this is a comminuted fracture. And the fifth fracture we have is segmental fracture. In case of segmental fracture there is a separating a fragment in middle. For example, this. So this is a segment which is separated. So this is called a segmental fracture. So the last one we have is a avulsion fracture. So this avulsion fracture is a breaking of a piece of bone which is attached to strong muscle fragments. So for example, olecranon or patella fracture. In this case, what will happen? A piece of a bone which is attached to a muscle fragment get detached from the bone. So this is kind of avulsion fracture. So the example of this avulsion fracture is olecranon and patella fracture. So here is a perfect images of the type of fractures. So this is a perfect image of type of fractures. So this is a transverse fracture which is caused by direct trauma, and this is a comminuted fracture where we can find multiple fragments, and this is a segmental fracture in which there is a segment which is separated, and this is a closed fracture. About closed and open fracture we will talk in next video in more details, so because this is important. And then we have a spiral fracture. Spirally the bone is fractured, and here we have is impacted and linear fracture. So, and also green stick fracture. Green stick fracture I will cover in next videos. This is important for pediatrics. So I will gonna cover broadly about green stick open and closed type of fractures in next videos. So that's it. This is a general classification of fractures and a general introduction. I hope you liked the video, and I hope so that this video will help you. Thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for other videos as well.